This video is titled, The Elephant in the Room. Let's get into it. In this video, we will embark upon a journey of consideration, because in this time we are stuck in the cycle of unrighteousness, and no one cares to consider it. So let's dive into it. What you got there? Oh, that's nothing. Everything is good. Shalom. He who has an ear, let him hear what the YAHUAH is saying into the called out assemblies. This message is meant to be thought-provoking, so I want you to get your mind out on this one and begin to think. Walk with me. This is a message I composed on May 24th, 2018. He who has an ear, let him hear what the YAHUAH is saying unto the call out assemblies. Message is what they hit me with back in the day. And here's a message for you. Hallelujah. The reason why people are poor is that poverty is not a problem. It's a result of not knowing who you are. At some point, you have to deal with the elephant in the room. No heritage, no culture, no identity. Here's a verse from Isaiah chapter 1 verse 3, and it reads, The ox knows his owner, and the ass his master's crib, but Israel, or YAHUAH, do not know. My people do not consider. No identity, but don't care. This is a verse from Proverbs chapter 29 and 18, and it reads, Where there is no vision, the people cast off restraint or self-control. But blessed is the one who heeds wisdom's instruction. Hallelujah. First portion of the verse is pertaining to a person without self-control or discipline. Second portion of the verse is pertaining to a person that hears wisdom's instruction and subsequently lives a better life by being able to receive YAHUAH's chastisement. Hallelujah. And on that note, I want to say thank you to YAHUAH for sending his great example in Adonai Yahushua Mashiach. All praises to the Most High, shed light on life. Hallelujah. Left, I heard that one shall be taken, the other one left. One feel blessed while the other one stressed. One shall be taken, the other one left. One feel blessed while the other one stressed. On the outside, they be looking all blessed. They don't know what's going on, but everything around them is a mess. They can feel it in their chest. That be the reason why they stress. Now we gon' get into this manna from heaven, because the time of this earth is on 7. 7 be the number of completion. For the wicked, 7 be the number of deletion. Ain't no coming back, nah, ain't no repeating. Ain't no coming back, nah, ain't no repeating. See this invitation? It was written on your heart, and you, my friend, wasn't invited from the start. Take a look at you, look at your behavior. And if you're looking for the money, nah, I can't save you. Money was the thing that enslaved you. Yeah, that enslaved you, and that's what you were slave to. That's what you were slave to. I bet you dollar hear it, because you got them itching fingers with them itching spirits. I can see it more clearly. I'm wasting my time. I cannot continue to cast my pearls at no swine, and I am fine, cause that beat be wasting my time. Wasting my time. You was not working in safety. You was more working in hasty. That's the one.